Welcome to WelcomeSaudi.com. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a new destination to our website, Insha'Allah. So, you click on Destinations here. And for this example, we're going to add the destination called Jeddah Sign. So, to show you what this looks like, here we go. You've probably seen this sign if you've been to Jeddah. It's a famous sign by the Corniche. Okay, so let's search first of all if this is present on our website or not. Search Jeddah Sign in the search bar, scroll down, and you can see it says 0 destination, destination not found. So, underneath that, you'll find Add Destination. Click Contact Us. And anybody can add this new page, as long as you've signed up for a free Traveller account. If you don't yet have a Traveller account, please see our previous tutorial where we show you how to sign up for a free account. It's very simple. So, in the destination field, type in Jeddah Sign. Add a short description. The Jeddah Sign is located at the Jeddah Corniche. And upload a photo. This must be your own original photo. Then select the region in which this destination is located. The Jeddah Sign is located in Jeddah, which is the Makkah province. So select Makkah province. Add the Google location. You'll need to head over to Google Maps for this and find the Jeddah Sign in Google Maps. Okay, here we go. And then you go to the Share button here, click Copy Link, head back over to the website, and paste it in here. Add your name, so we will put Welcome Saudi, and enter your email address, welcomesaudi123@gmail.com. Okay, click I'm not a robot, and simply click Add Destination. Okay, so there you go. Congratulations! Most requests are reviewed within 24 hours, so if we approve your request for the destination, check back on the website within 24 hours. And if you see Jeddah Sign in the destination search, you know obviously it's been added. And that's how to add a new destination on WelcomeSaudi.com. Thank you very much!